A very important information to Biafra out there. Listen to me very, very attentively. I'm here today to bring you an update. Currently, what is happening now as we dey talk. Biafras, they say that this NIN, where they do right now, they say that Igbo people own don't come become difference for the others. So they say that there's some group of people for inside these offices where they do this thing for inside in Nigeria. They pass some information of some people, go give another people, they go use them, go do all this their kidnap. After they don't do that one finish, now the contract number we call understand say na Igbo name, now get the number like this. They come find that Igbo person, catch up. This one another way to bring Igbo people down. My people, no be smart, you know. As they hot, now would they here they bring and they come. As we dey talk that one, they say that more of Ife don call aside. He said that if they keep leaving Tulumbu for this seat, he said Nigeria fit go the river Benue Noah fit swallow the ship. I been a ship even swallow Noah. I don't understand, but however, although if you don't blast the man where they call Parliament the Tulumbu of the way things they be for inside Nigeria as we they talk. No be smart, you know. Remember, say we give information some days ago about some children where they go school, where all those kidnappers come carry enter inside bush. As we they talk right now, they said they don't finally release them. They don't get their freedom back. But we will show you the video as they take come aside. My wonderful people, let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today are the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here they bring you updates back to back as they hot. So if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, may you quickly do so and also follow this page. Also make sure say they follow us for TikTok because we dey there and a lot of people are following us over there. Make sure say you follow our right account because there's so many accounts out there pretending to be us. We are always Balabas G's in our TikTok account. So make sure say you follow the right account. Okay, my wonderful people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They said that the NIN, this registration, where they do, according to the information where we go get, where we go see pass for this update, what they give right now, they say that some people for inside that office, go they carry some names, go they give people where they do some, they do things were no good. And after they don't carry and do things were no good, the contracts come. And this thing, they fall to Igbo people. I don't know what Igbo people do now for inside Nigeria, but the truth is that you cannot move forward without the Igbos if you really want the country to move forward. So those people where they do this art should brought to book immediately. Let me play this video and before we go come back on drop another update where we get for our hand.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Joe. I work with the Ministry of National Identity Management here in Abuja. Okay, I would like to speak Igbo. Council Igbo. Because all I am Igbo can medically affect. So now I've been working with this office for the past a year and 4 months now, and something is happening because I'm on the ICT department. This thing is like this: our top staffs get people need register NIN every day. Hane deputy, you know, need some telecommunication like MTN, Glo, and Airtel. They had a young one specialize near already registered SIM cards. You know, if you go somewhere like Mem Market, Ladipo, you know, mega cities, you know, you got future you don't need to open your NIN register well and you can register and you register your people's NIN and then with the NIN in Igbo. That go MSZ kidnapping. I will tell the phone number. A check the NIN or at the link here or Buno nom Alpha NIN Igbo Kajimea. You know, people have been coming here complaining and only witnessing too much because from can see watching kitten. Ka yeah and Igbo by affect, you know. So that's why I'm coming to this platform now because I'm not on this platform can where in car because somewhere somebody Anna or Ado be this girl Obina Obina Nasarawa State, and they see all the way from Nasarawa State, Bute Abuja court. And I go nowhere, no register SIM card, where any kidnappers. And I were SIM card, and I'm the gear Omaro. So, Obuna in our chopper, as in, I want to see many people are Amaro, you don't know about one office and I work at dial *785#. Ida lawyer, he select here the 4. You got verbal say view your NIN status 4. You view ya APR 4. Then you click here 2. I got see viewed numbers linked with your NIN. You click here 2. You put take number NIN AG NIN give we register. Then in K amaro number of amaro AG NIN give we register. You go to the MTN office. How will you go those numbers na your NIN? Be very careful with NIN. This thing they make people afraid. People are all wanting in a prison. Kita ni yana amaro makia. Because undi buy spread this thing. Because spread the koga viral. Something is happening. Because.
Okay, my wonderful people, so be very, very careful. Anytime where you receive a strange call telling you that even though through your business, make sure say you verify very well, because if you go for the hand of those people where they come pretend say that they find people but they know what thing that they do. However, be very, very careful and share this video to the Igbos, share this video to Southeast people, may they know what thing they go on, and the whole people who call themselves leaders should immediately do something about this information. My people, as that one they happen, they say that those children will be say when they go school, we come be like say all those people they carry people, they go inside bush, come carry them one corner. They say they don't finally leave them. We'll show on the video before we come back, come proceed. Stay tuned and watch the video with me.
And in 2 hours, in a book, a machine, 2 hours.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, they say more of if don't blast the person where they call President Ahmed Tinubu of the things where they happen for inside Nigeria, and call for Nigerians to make sure say that the country move forward. But this is our message to Omo of Ife. Nigeria can never move forward. Forget the football, forget other things you are seeing. Nigeria will not move forward. That is the final full stop of it. You cannot kill almost 3.something million people with no apology, with no regard, with no remorse, with even asking the people we are sorry for what we have done to you people. For this we have done, we are paying back with this. And you think that the country will move forward. The better we talk about our history and find a way, and you can't force people to be in a nation with you. This is the fact. If the 70% or 90% are saying, hey, we don't want to be here, you cannot force them to be there. So anybody preaching or talking anything that this nation, pray for this nation, that person is wasting his own time. You are wasting time, totally time. Everybody in right sense will tell you this, that this country cannot move forward. Especially now they are trying to exclude Igbos in some of the projects they are doing. When it comes to commercials, when it comes to money aspects, the way they are excluding Igbos, removing Igbos for all these sides, that means say there's nothing you fit do if you move the nation, because everybody get their own work to do. When we come to a family, when you have a 6 family, they have all different gifts and what they can do to contribute to the family. So when you are trying to remove others, that means you are setting the families back. So I think there's error, very big error in this project called Nigeria. However, let's listen to what or more if you talk for this video, and we'll come back, continue.
We are the architect of our problems. We are. We just keep talking. We haven't faced that fact that we are the problem of this nation. All of us. let us tell ourselves the truth. Let's redesign the fundamental structure of this country. Devolution of powers. Why should we make the president of Nigeria, the governor, presidency so powerful? The EFCC chairman innocently said something here that he will go after the presidency, he will go after the judiciary, he will go after the legislative arm. I will be praying for you. I will be praying for you. I will pray and fast for you. Some people have been there before you. Let's be truthful. How did they end? They tried to do some certain things. Maybe they're listening to their leaders and their masters that put them there. I will pray for you. I mean it too. Yorubas will say we need to do more abusari for you. It's not easy. He has spoken very, very wonderfully well that he wants to make a mark. But a lot of people will misread him that you, after putting you there, you want to go after us. When are we going to grow in this country? When? We all sit down and talk. There is problem in Nigeria. So corruption is everywhere. Don't let us deceive ourselves. Our leaders will so much be successful in private sector. They will gather lots and lots of hundreds of millions to go and do PR for them to get political appointment. What are they going to go and do when they get there? They will steal. That's what they will do, because the system has made that kind of portfolio and office to be very attractive. Let us make laws, let us review our constitution, and let us stop deceiving ourselves. It is very few impact our leaders can make. If we know that we cannot make much impact, we will keep talking. We will keep talking every year, and things will continue to get worse. Because the population is growing very rapidly. An average Nigerian now is a 20-year-old. 20 years of age, between 18 and 20 years. That's the average Nigerian age now. So what are you going to tell those coming generation if we continue, if we don't really look inwardly and change the structure? And the governors, if we don't do this, we are in trouble in Nigeria. We will continue to talk. You will continue to feed fat and continue to bring corruption to the table of our religious leaders. It's a problem. It's a bad culture. Let us change it and let us talk to ourselves. If we want this country to grow, let us go back to our local communities. Charity begins at home. Everything starts from somewhere. We cannot survive with what we have in Nigeria now. It's not possible. Anybody that says we will survive with it, let that person come out. It's a lie. Even if you are the genius of this world, it's not possible. Let us change the structure of this country. But if you say with what we have right now, the lie, it's a white lie. Nothing can change. If you are a leader, do what is just and right. You are a servant. Stop amassing wealth. What do you want to use it for? You want to continue oppressing people? Someday they will face you. We don't pray for that to happen in Nigeria. God bless our entire country, and God bless all of us, and God bless our leaders.
Yeah, my wonderful people, the rest of this talk, we're going to say it in the comment section and leave your own opinion, and also make sure so you share this video for other people to chip in and contribute and leave their own opinion as well. But do not forget to follow this page for more updates as it dey hot. Remember, say you still there for Balabas G's as it dey hot. Back to back updates.